A look at the SPY chart here, where there's been a relatively stable channel into record high territory, with attention now focusing around the 1.618 fib extension level, which was contacted right around the time of the 13 fib time zone line. Additional detail comes from a fib circle based on the current uptrend line. So if the steep rise that began June is to resume, price would not go under 540 and instead retrace down slightly along the curvature of the outer circles, followed by an eventual advance through the 550s and up to the next extension range approaching the 21 time zone line. And although it appears less likely at this current time, even a steep drop would likely encounter strong support potential nearing the 520s. Now onto Reddit stock chart, where the recovery from record lows has recently halted upon contact nearing record highs. Moving ahead, it will of course be important to mark these prices in the IPO price range, then get a fib extension on the current uptrend, along with a regular fib time zone based on the interval from the highest to lowest price so far. A pair of fib spirals can also be useful. So in the event price keeps dropping sharply, attention will naturally shift to the area around 50, where strong long-term support potential is present. On the other hand, if price can keep at or above 60 over the next week or so, breaking over the spirals becomes more realistic, which makes another attempt toward record high prices a possibility, heading towards the 5 fib time zone line. Now I kindly ask you subscribe and stay tuned for more. Then while you wait for the next upload right after this one, have a look at the hundreds of technical analysis tutorials already on the channel, including ones on how to use each Fibonacci method shown today.